always wanted to be a lawyer, and I wanted in particular to be a trial lawyer. Trying cases in the courtroom was what I wanted to do. After I graduated from college, I spent 2 years in the Army. I sent my application to law school from Vietnam, and found out while I was still there that I had been accepted, and started law school the August after I came back from Vietnam that June. When I first started out, I had no thought at all about being a judge. Part of it was just the more you do it as a lawyer, the more you see and come to respect the judges and the job that they do. And so to a certain degree that inspires you. I think it inspired me that would be something that I would like to do. Trial attorneys by nature like talking. They couldn't do the job if they weren't willing and able and even enjoy getting up in front of a group of people and talking. They couldn't make their arguments. So that's a natural thing for trial attorneys in particular. And as a judge, you have to learn to sort of hide that part of your personality and instead be a good listener and listen very carefully to both sides. Make sure that both sides get a chance to make their arguments, and then do your job as the judge of making the decision. The justice system is not perfect. It doesn't guarantee that the right side will win. It doesn't guarantee that the outcome will be truly just. But what our system is here in America is the best system I think anybody's devised so far. And that's what we try to do as judges, is make sure we give justice a chance to be done. In my courtroom, we didn't have anything, any pictures or anything hanging on the walls in my courtroom. And so I had framed pictures of Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and of Mother Teresa. And I hung one of those on each side of the wall behind me on the judge's bench in my courtroom, because I think that their lives were examples to every person about how to live not for themselves but for others, to try to live in a meaningful way, and to try to be an advocate for justice and mercy. So I thought that if I'm remembered, I hope it's as a judge who tried to be like that.